Hey, good people. When the turn signal clicking faster, there might be a few problems that can cause it. Bad bulb, flasher, socket, or bad wire, bad connection. I always start from checking bulb first, and in most cases that is the root cause. This time it was rear driver side bulb. On H3 I had to unscrew two screws from inside and pull it from two plastic pins. Have to be careful here not to damage wires and two pins. Replacing bulb is really simple. Turn, snap out old, snap in new, and make sure knobs on the socket are in the right position. And just the last check to make sure I got the right one. It is always a good idea to check if the problem was fixed before assembling parts back. And that was all for this fix. Have a nice day. Cheers.